You're on Where to Stay Around the World, a well-traveled life channel, and we're going to give you a tour of our flat in the city of York, England. You can rent this flat through Airbnb, and we'll have the link in the description. But as you walk in the house, you're going to turn right and come into a kitchen, living room, shared space. It's got a really nice electric fireplace, comfortable couch and a seat, really good TV. I would say that's one of the real benefits of this house was this large screen TV with a lot of apps that we could use. There's also a working desk over here with a specific light overhead as well as a table light, so very usable space with plugs below. We thought that was really great. There is a clothes horse right here in the front room, although they have an incredible washing machine and dryer, separate washer and dryer, as well as a dishwasher in the kitchen. So the kitchen is really well equipped in the appliance department. Your washing machine is here underneath the drain board, and the dryer is one cupboard over. In between is your refrigerator, and it's a perfect space. The freezer hadn't been defrosted in a long time, so it wasn't really usable for us, but it was great to have the refrigerated space, obviously. Under the sink, there are some cleaning supplies for you. There is a 4-burner electric hob as well as an oven. You've got pots and pans down below. And on the opposite side, there was just some maybe baking dishes, and we did find a bar set up over there. So just in case, that's there. This is kind of what in my house I would call a junk drawer. And this is your silverware as well as your cooking supplies. Those were probably a little on the light side. I didn't see like rubber spatulas, and that's something I always prefer to use with a nonstick pan. This cupboard is really perfect. You've got your olive oil, teas, honey, salt and pepper, and instant coffee. And then all of your dishware and glassware is up in this cupboard. There is also a microwave, so very well equipped kitchen as far as everything you would need. Toaster, tea kettle, and some nice condiments out here, salt and pepper. And they did leave some pods, which is really thoughtful and appreciated. There is a 3-seat dining room with glass tabletop right here in the kitchen itself. And this is just a nice place for playing games or having meals. There is one bathroom. It is across the flat. It has a 3-feature. It's got the toilet. It's got a full shower. There's a couple things to know about the shower. There is a string over on this side that you will need to pull. It's just above the mirror, and you will pull that string. That turns the shower on, and then from the shower, you will adjust using these knobs here. One knob is for temperature, and one knob is for pressure. And then, of course, you have another switch here to go from the handheld to the overhead shower. They do include body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. There is a step up to the shower, so you want to make sure that you've got enough mobility to be able to get up that step. But let me talk about mobility. If that's an issue for you, this flat is not for you because the stairs up are windy, narrow, and creaky, and the floors themselves are really, really uneven. I think that's just part of what you get in an old place, and you probably are even looking at this place for 2 reasons. You are coming here for location because you are in the heart of York. You are on the back door of Clifford's Tower and the front door of the Shambles. You have everything that York has to offer right next to you. The other reason you're coming is because you love a character-filled place, and if you're going to be in the city of York, you might as well be in an old higgledy-piggledy house, and that's what this place is. You are in an old higgledy-piggledy house that has lots and lots of character to it. If you look out your living room windows, you're looking out on the red roofs of York. You aren't actually going to see some of the iconic buildings from your house, but you're going to be literally in the heart of them. And I'm going to show you the bedrooms. As you come in this front door, as I've mentioned, on your right is all of the public space, and then on the left, you have 2 bedrooms. The first bedroom is very similar to the second bedroom. We could not find much of a difference between the two. This one has a wardrobe and a little standing mirror. You've got a dresser with drawers and a single nightstand. And you are looking out right at the church. This part is your beautiful view. So from the bedrooms, you've got beautiful views. From the back public rooms, you've got those quintessential York tiled roof views. The second bedroom, right directly across from the hanging hooks, which was great for jackets, and light switches are just outside of the bedrooms. But the second bedroom has a bed, 2 nightstands, a vanity area, a chest of drawers. There is a mirror hanging on the door, and this is a utility closet for the owner's or manager's use. There isn't anything in here that you need to get to. You also have windows out to the church. And down the street, the Shambles Market literally is just around the corner, and the Shambles itself is very, very close. So it's all about the location in this old house. I think one of the concerns we had is the front door jamb has got some pretty big cutouts that didn't feel entirely comfortable and had obviously either been kicked in or something like that in the past. It does have a locking deadbolt that works, and it's fine. Just the door itself doesn't latch, so the only way you can shut the door is with the deadbolt. And this is higgledy-piggledy in every possible way. Floors creak, and they have really interesting slopes in all different directions in all different places. There is no parking assigned to this home, and so you would need to arrange for that yourself using either Coppergate parking lot, which is a covered parking area and is very close by, but it closes at night. It is not a 24-hour parking spot, so that might be an issue for you. The closest overnight parking is Castle parking lot, and that is a more of a long stay, and you can both parking lots you can pay online, and that's a really easy process. You can prepay, so if you're staying for 2 or 3 days, you prepay that fee, and you don't need to worry about updating it. York may be one of our favorite cities in the entire world to visit, not just the UK. It is compact, easy to walk, and has so much history, but also a really vibrant, energetic feel to the town. So for us, this is a place we return to often and stay for more than just a day or two. Given that, we're looking for an apartment that is comfortable, accessible to all that's around us, which means we like to be inside the city walls. And this flat is that. I think the only drawback for us is the parking situation, and you lose a little bit of comfort just in the age of the building and the stairs and all of that kind of thing. But if you're coming for a quick visit and you want a place that's in the heart of everything, this is a good space to rent. We have other videos about York on our Eat, Stay, and Play channel. You'll want to check out the Shambles, Clifford's Tower, the York Minster, Jorvik, the Viking Museum, as well as fun times at different shows that we've seen in town and some of our favorite restaurants, cafes, and bars. Also, don't miss our tour with Mad Alice, who does the bloody tour of York in the evenings. And on our We Walks and Small Talks channel, you'll find our walk along the Roman walls and walks through the city.